How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, got an awesome overview of a gaming laptop that I think you guys should go pick up. Also, I want to challenge you guys, if you can go out and find a better budget gaming laptop, better bang for the buck, another way to say it, I want you to comment that in the comment section down below. I would love to hear it, and I want to check out the PCs that you guys recommend. I don't know, I've been having an obsession with PCs lately, so I wanted to bring you guys an awesome laptop that I think will blow you away and is just a great bang for your buck, great value for the money. Sadly, it has gone up in price lately. It's up at $868. I think a week ago this was at like $750, which I think was an even better deal. But since it's under $1,000 and it's a gaming laptop, you can't really complain too much. So today we're going to be going over the Lenovo IdeaPad L340. So Lenovo's usually known for their IdeaPad series. Usually they're known for like their working laptops, their business laptops, and they're trying to like slowly ease their way into the gaming laptop market, which is really cool. So as you can see, this is a business looking laptop for the most part. It doesn't look too gamerish. The only gaming aspect of it is really the blue accents, but even that is not even too severe. If we go look at some of these pictures here, like look at how sleek this look. It's made of plastic. Obviously they have to cut some costs, so it's made of plastic. It's got that nice Lenovo logo in the top left, blue accent, black text, plastic back, but it's got like a brushed design to it, which makes it really awesome. And I personally, I really like the design of this laptop. You guys comment down below what you think about it. So let me just run over the quick specs and then I'll give you my opinion about the laptop as a whole. So as I said, Lenovo IdeaPad L340 gaming laptop, 15.6 inch IPS display. It's full HD, 1920 by 1080. Now I did see a couple complaints online saying that the display was not too color accurate. It only captured like 50% of the RGB spectrum. So if you're looking for video editing and stuff like that, maybe this isn't the laptop to look at, but I think it's sharp enough, and I don't think it gets overly bright, but I don't know how many people are actually using their laptop outside, so I think it should be good for the most part. Got an Intel Core i3-9300H processor, so it's an i5, and this is the 9th gen of Intel's chips, which is pretty solid, and that can rival many older i7s at this point. Only 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Luckily it is DDR4, and you can always upgrade that. This is a pretty easy laptop to upgrade. I think you just have to like unscrew like 12 screws in the back, and then you can access the RAM slot. You can easily switch that out for a 16 gigabyte stick of RAM. I don't think it's dual channel. I think it's only single channel RAM, which is kind of disappointing. But the main selling point of why this is such a good deal is got a 512 gigabyte NVMe SSD. So that you're gonna put all your games on, your editing software on, and Windows on. So your whole PC is gonna run extremely fast. It's gonna help with boot up times and stuff like that. Way better than having a set hard drive. I do like having a 1 terabyte hard drive, 2 terabyte hard drive, in addition to an SSD, just for like large files that I don't really need to access very often, but 512 gigabytes is plenty these days. I think it'll do the trick, and it'll speed up your computer very, very drastically. NVIDIA, and this is another reason why this is such a good laptop, is because it's got an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. So that's last year's processor, I believe, or maybe the year before. This is before the 2000 series of graphics cards for NVIDIA. 1650 is great. I don't have specific specs on it, but you can run most games, medium, high settings, 60 FPS plus. I'm talking AAA titles easily. There's a trailer here. I'm not going to play it, but guys, this, like, if you just look at this design, look how sleek this is. And all the reviews I've seen of this online have been amazing. Look at this. This is Amazon's choice for Lenovo L340. It's a great gaming laptop. You can also get like accessories to come with it, but I wouldn't recommend that. As I said, it used to be $750. It's gone up in price. Maybe I'd wait a little longer until it goes back down in price. It most likely will with time. And I heard Lenovo is actually making an updated version of this laptop coming, I think, at the end of May. So end of this month, they're going to be releasing a updated version of this laptop, which I'm super excited about. If you're a PC company and you're watching this, guys, make sure to sponsor. I'd be happy to review your PCs. So yeah, awesome laptop, Windows 10, obviously. You guys can check out this laptop on Amazon. You can also check it out on Lenovo's website itself. Lenovo's Mate is known for having really nice keyboards. Has a full number pad here, and a backlit LED keyboard. I heard it's very tactile, good click. Trackpad, I heard, is like mediocre. I think it has like Lenovo's precision drivers, not Windows. But you can also you can always download Windows precision drivers for your laptop. Guys, highly recommend this. It can do amazing gaming content. I wouldn't edit on this, but if you're looking to maybe stream some games, record some gameplay, just play some games in general while also doing some business work sort of thing, I think this is the laptop review. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Let's shoot for 50 likes on this video. I don't know, we'll see if we can get there. Go check out the Life Easy podcast if you haven't checked that out already. Linked in the description. We're gonna be uploading content soon, and you can also subscribe to my second channel, Gaming Made Easy. Gonna be live streaming a Minecraft series coming shortly. So I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy.